Grapes, Vitis vinifera, are one of the most ancient and widely cultivated fruit crops in the world. They belong to the Vitaceae family and are primarily grown for fresh consumption, wine production, and dried fruit, raisins. Grapes have a rich history, tracing back to ancient civilizations where they were not only a food source but also a symbol of prosperity and abundance. Botanical description: grape plants are woody, deciduous vines that can grow to impressive lengths if not pruned. They have a climbing habit, utilizing tendrils to anchor themselves to structures. The leaves of the grapevine are large, lobed, and alternate, displaying a green color that can turn vibrant shades of red and yellow in autumn. The flowers are small, greenish, and typically bloom in clusters called inflorescences. Varieties: there are thousands of grape varieties, broadly categorized into two main groups, table grapes and wine grapes. Table grapes: these varieties are bred for fresh consumption. They have larger berries, thinner skins, and fewer seeds. Popular varieties include Thompson Seedless, Red Globe, and Concord. Wine grapes: these varieties are cultivated specifically for winemaking. They have higher sugar content and more robust flavors. Notable wine grape varieties include Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Merlot, and Pinot Noir. Cultivation: grape cultivation requires a warm, temperate climate, though some varieties are adapted to cooler regions. The key requirements for growing grapes include: climate: grapes thrive in regions with hot, dry summers and mild winters. They require a long growing season to develop their sugars fully. Soil: well-drained soils are essential for grapevines, with a preference for loamy or sandy soils rich in organic matter. Water: while grapevines are relatively drought tolerant, they require adequate moisture during the growing season. Irrigation practices must be managed to avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root diseases. Pruning and training: proper pruning and training are critical for grapevine health and productivity. Grapevines are typically trained on trellises to manage their growth and optimize sunlight exposure. Growth and development: grapevines follow a distinct seasonal growth cycle. Dormancy: during winter, the vines are dormant, conserving energy for the next growing season. Bud break: in early spring, buds swell and burst open, marking the beginning of the growth period. Flowering: small, greenish flowers appear in clusters, usually in late spring to early summer. Fruit set: following pollination, the flowers develop into small, green berries. Variation: this stage, occurring in mid to late summer, involves the berries changing color and beginning to ripen. Harvest: depending on the variety and intended use, grapes are harvested in late summer to early autumn. Pests and diseases: grapevines are susceptible to various pests and diseases, which can significantly impact yield and quality. Common issues include: powdery mildew, a fungal disease that affects leaves, shoots, and fruit, causing a white powdery coating. Downy mildew, another fungal disease, resulting in yellowish-brown spots on leaves and can cause severe defoliation. Phylloxera, a root aphid that feeds on grapevine roots, leading to stunted growth and vine death if not controlled. Botrytis bunch rot, a fungal infection that causes grapes to rot, particularly under humid conditions. Uses: grapes have diverse uses across various industries. Fresh consumption: table grapes are consumed as fresh fruit, valued for their sweetness and juiciness. Wine production: grapes are the primary ingredient in winemaking, with different varieties contributing distinct flavors and aromas. Raisins: dried grapes, raisins, are a popular snack and ingredient in baking. Juice and jelly: grape juice and jelly are widely consumed, often made from Concord or other sweet varieties. Nutritional and health benefits: grapes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are rich in vitamin C and K, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. Consuming grapes has been associated with several health benefits, including improved heart health, anti-inflammatory properties, and cancer prevention. Conclusion. Grapes are a versatile and economically significant crop with a long history of cultivation. From vineyards producing world-renowned wines to the table grapes enjoyed by families worldwide, grapes continue to be a valuable and beloved fruit. Successful grape cultivation requires careful attention to climate, soil, water, and pest management, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.